Here's Haley's new room. Okay, come on up.
Not being videotaped.
Yes, you are. Come on in here. Oh, Haley. Come see your new room.
Whoa. Not being videotaped.
Okay, I turned it off.
No, you did.
Oh, hi, Sunny. Help yourself up there. Make yourself at home.
Aw, Sunny.
Well,
Thank you.
you like it?
Uh-huh.
You love it? Isn't it awesome?
Yep. Woohoo! I can fit under my bed.
Sunny is really perplexed. He doesn't know where you are.
Sunny. Sunny. Hi. Come here. Come on. Sunny. Come on. Come on.
Haley, open up the drawers and look around.
Okay. There's nothing in there.
No, you got to put some. You got to put stuff in there. But that one does. Your Bible and Keys for Kids.
This only goes so far.
Yep.
Okay.
Such a big bed, isn't it?
Yeah. Whoa. Okay.
Socks and underwear and pajamas.
Yeah, I got that.
Bathing suits. Nothing.
Where's all the rest of my clothes?
In your closet.
Need light.
Sunny, no. No.
This must have cost
Nope.
like a fortune or something. But the only thing I don't like is the desk.
You don't,
You can't go in it.
you don't want it on the desk?
Uh-uh.
Hey, honey, get that little caterpillar from Sunny, please.
No.
So you happy? You love it?
That is not even left.
Look at Sunny.
I told you it was fun. Sunny. Sunny, come here. Good boy. Good boy. But you cannot go under here. Come on.
And you have the best view in the house from your room.
Come on, Sunny.
I think you have the best room in the house now.
Come here, Sunny. No. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sunny. Mom. Come on. Come on.
Where are you? Love you.
Take a picture of my butt.
Love you, Haley.
Love you too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What? That's the only thing.
You're going to look at this when you're older. And you're going to go, I was so small then.
I was not small. I am not small.
You're going to go, I was so cute.
No, I'm not.
And look how small Sunny is. Although Sunny would probably be the same size. I'm glad you like it.